A very good morning to all of you. Today we will learn how to write an article. Article writing. This is one of the long compositions of B section of your question paper. That is advanced writing skills. First we must know why is it important for us to write an article. An article is written to present information and ideas on different subject or themes. It is written to express views on some issues of social interest. It is written to describe a person, his life and actions. It is written to describe about an event or place. It also can be written to express arguments in favor and against about an issue. There is much similarity between writing an essay and an article. First, let me clear it. An essay includes facts and exact events, whereas an article, it includes thoughts, ideas, and philosophy. Now, in this, I am going to show you the definition of article writing, guidelines for writing an article, types of an article, steps to write an article, different parts of an article, mark specification according to your question paper, sample question with answer, and some practice questions. Now let me start with article writing. Article writing is quite challenging. It involves a high degree of creativity and wide vocabulary. It also needs a thorough knowledge of the subject and a lot of organizational abilities. So the definition of the article can be written as an article is a piece of writing which is seen in magazines and newspapers. An article is an expression of one's thoughts. This is a non-fictional writing. It includes any particular incident or discusses a theme or a social concern. Now, the next content part, the guidelines for writing an article. First, the word article in capital words must be written on the top of an answer sheet. Don't be afraid of cuttings. Just try to do it neatly. Use title from the question, means the same words are to be written here as the article title as this is given in the question paper. Leave a blank line for paragraph distinction, means from one paragraph if you are coming to two paragraph, a line must be left blank. Write title in capitals only. Do not make your article too descriptive and lengthy. Use precise language. Use slogans, rhetorical questions, and quotes from popular books. Article must be based on research and facts. It should be written in 3 paragraphs. Also, the guidelines include there must be eye-catching heading related to the central theme. Name of the writer by whom the article is written. This is just written on the next line of the title. The paragraphs can be, first paragraph is of introduction. Use facts and show cause and effect in paragraph 2 and 3 also. Give examples to support your views and create comparisons and contrast to justify your views in a logical manner. Now, what are the different types of an article? There are 3 types of an article. First is a thing, even which only delivers the benefits. Second type can be a thing or an event which only causes harm. And the third type can be a thing or an event which both gives you benefits as well as harmful effects. And fourth can be other than all these three types. Now first let me talk to you that how the headings can be given if these three types can be there. First I am talking about the first type. The suggested titles can be, first you can write the title on whatever topic you are going to write and then colon a boon. Second can be in the same manner after the title, a blessing in disguise. Third can be a promising future, and fourth can be a ray of light. These are all the suggested titles of the first type because your title must be very impressive, must be eye-catchy. Now the titles for the type 2. First the title is given, then colon a bane, then colon a source of man's woes, then result of persistence, negligence, and fourth can be first the title you will write and then colon and then will we still be ignorant? These are the suggested titles of type 2. Now of type 3, which is beneficial also for you and harmful also for you. First you will write the title, then colon, a boon or a bane, then in the same manner after colon, our future or another disaster. Third can be a fruitful range. These are the three types of the articles. Now what are the various steps to write an article? This also we need to know before we start writing an article. First, what you have to do? First, just get the information, recollect the information and make a rough draft. While you are making the rough draft, you don't have to worry too much about the English and start to write the sections. Then you have to redraft after the whole information is gathered on a piece of paper. You have to review and you have to refine it. Now you can think about the question, you can think about the language. If any error is there, here it can be rectified. Think about the sentence formation and think about the paragraphs because the article has to be given into a fixed number of paragraphs. Now comes the format of an article. See, first the topic of an article is given. You will write the topic in capital words, then colon, and then a bane or boon or whatever I have told you. Then in the next line, you will write the name of the person who is writing an article. Then the introductory paragraphs can be there and the content, second paragraph, and in conclusion, third paragraph. If the name of the person is not given at the top, in the end it can be given. There is no harm giving in the end also. So first let me talk about the format. Format means first the heading and by author means whosoever is writing it. Heading, as I told you, must be given in capital words. Now different parts of an article. Now the first paragraph, that is the initial paragraph, is of the introduction. Second paragraph will be known as the mid paragraph and third paragraph will be known as the final paragraph. Now let us know about the initial paragraph, that is the first paragraph, that is the introduction. In this paragraph you have to give a unique introduction, that is the opening of the topic. Also you have to give the meaning of what you are going to write about. And any facts, if you know, you also have to include this into the first paragraph. All the slogans, questions, purpose of writing an article has to be included in the initial paragraph, paragraph 1. Now comes paragraph 2, middle paragraph. Now you have to give the reasons, results, merits, demerits, compare the present with the past, and my opinion and experience. This is a middle paragraph. You have to give the all causes and effects, and the maximum word limit you must avail. Because if you are having so many thoughts in your mind, you, of course, you can't exceed the word limit, but whatever is the word limit given, try to avail that word limit. Now comes a final paragraph, that is paragraph 3. Here you can give the suggestions and conclusion. Also, you can write the slogans or quotations at the end. This is a sample article. See it very keenly. First, see how the heading is given. Interesting, curiosity generating title is given here. Then, as I told you, after the heading, the name of the person who is giving the article. If a picture is there, well and good. On one side, a picture can be given. This is not affecting your word limit. Then a picture related can be given, and then the matter, that is middle paragraph and the final paragraph. This will be how your article must look like when you write for a newspaper. Now the distribution of marks. The objective of the article writing is to use a style appropriate to the given situation to plan, organize, and present ideas coherently. This question will be of 10 marks. Now the distribution of 10 marks. Format, where only the title is given and the name of the person is given. This is a 1 mark. Content is a 4 mark, and expression is a 5 marks. Expression includes grammatical accuracy, appropriate words, and correct spelling. This will be of 2.5 marks. And the next part, division of expression, will be coherence and relevance of ideas and style, will also be of 2.5 marks. And the word limit for writing an article will be 150 to 200 words. Now I am taking a sample question and I am also answering that how I must write it. You are Rakshita, a student of class 12. Write an article on the COVID-19 pandemic has changed education forever. Word limit must be 150 to 200 words. Now I am writing the full answer in complete word limit for you to see. See how I start. The title is given, the COVID-19 pandemic has changed education forever. So the next line can be the name of the person, student of class 12. The first paragraph, the introductory paragraph. One of the biggest casualties of COVID-19 pandemic and the resultant lockdown has been institutionalized education. Schools have been shut to prevent the spread of the virus, and this has given way to online classrooms. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms, which is a very new concept in India, even for the most sophisticated schools. It is commendable how easily some educational institutions have moved to virtual classrooms. All thanks to tools such as Zoom, Google, Hangout, and Microsoft Teams, there are teachers and schools putting extra effort to engage students in classes by revamping timetable, shifting discussions online, taking feedback from parents, and monitoring students constantly. In the words of the parents, now I am including the paragraph 2 and 3 also. Online class is a fairly new concept, and my daughter was pretty excited initially to be a part of it. Another parent says, considering that there is a generation heavily dependent on gadgets, getting them to use the device is not an issue. Now, let us know what a teacher say. One of the teachers felt students are actually more responsive and active in online classrooms compared to when they are in physical ones. Now, the last paragraph. In the end, I would like to say that present generation students have the ability to learn using different online tools and methods. But the other side of the coin says that there is lack of free flowing conversations, debates and discussions, and they all have to face technological difficulties related to weak devices or access to the internet, etc. In short, for many of India's teachers as well as students, online classes amid lockdown have been an awful experience. Now, in the end, also I am going to give the name of the same person, whereas in the beginning also I have given you. But you have to remember, either in the beginning or in the end, it has to be given. I am giving it at two places so that you may come to know that how is it to be written. So there are some practice questions. By 2050, India will be amongst the countries which will face acute water shortage. You are highly alarmed and terrified of the future world without water. So write an article, save water. Are we doing enough for the local daily in 150 to 200 words? This was a question which was in your last year's question paper. Second question for practice can be, you are Pratibha, a student of class 12. Write an article in about 150 to 200 words on ill effects on students of watching too much TV. This is also a question taken from your last year's question paper. Last question can be, grow more trees to reduce pollution. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the topic given above for your school magazine. So, whatever I had told you, remembering all the guidelines, all the divisions, types, how to start it, how to divide it into paragraphs, you have to practice these three questions, that how you are to write an article. So this is all about article writing. Thanks a lot for watching this video.